Actually, it makes me more happy than ever. And I know if I stumble in anything, I will run to Bonnie or I'll run to Lars or I'll run to Pavel, anyone in the group. Hey, I had this problem. Please help. And I'm sure 100% he will provide me with a solution. So yeah, I'm confident. Yes, this is actually the top of this group. So like when you have a problem in architecture, you can come here and I guarantee 100% like someone will answer. Someone actually been through this before and he will tell you like there's a direction A, direction B, and the best of both. And you can choose whatever based on your business. I love it. I love it in here. Because as a lead, I work in not one, not two, a lot of projects in the company, and I'm responsible for them. And in the company, maybe I don't have time to actually experiment about stuff. But with the group, yeah, you can see a vision, and then you take this vision and you put more into it to make it something else. And then you share it with the group, and the group see a vision. So basically, we are building blocks together like a Lego. The other thing is that every developer needs a motivation, and seeing you guys and talk to you guys, actually that's my motivation. Like you're so friendly, the whole group are so friendly, the whole group are so knowledgeable, and you need to leverage this to yourself. Like I want to actually sit with these groups. I need to be more on the same level of understanding how they think, how they do stuff, because mainly when you're a lead, no one you're trying to explain why you choose this approach, and then people follow.
So, do you think coming into this group and meeting all of these Angular architects, did that make you more confident or less confident?
Actually, it makes me more happy than ever. and and of course, being happy doesn't mean I'm confident of myself. And I know if I stumble in anything, I will run to Bonnie or I'll run to Lars or I'll run to Pavel, anyone in the group. Hey, I had this problem. Please help. And I'm sure 100% he will provide me with a solution. So yeah, I'm confident.